The red grape Gamay is most closely associated with which French wine region? And the correct answer is... Hello everybody! I am your host Jacqueline and welcome back to the channel Hourglass of Wine and to episode 7 of our wine quizzes, where you can finally put your wine knowledge to the test. Here is a quick recap of the rules if you are new to the series. There are going to be 3 levels of questions of ascending difficulty with 3 questions for each level. At the end, we are going to have a boss level question. Try to get all 10 questions correct, and if you succeed, you win the prize of eternal glory. Are you ready? Let's get started. Level 1 questions. We are going to warm up a little bit of our wine knowledge with some easy questions. Here we go. Question number 1. If a wine is described as fortified, what has been added to it? A. Sugar. B. Grape spirit in the form of alcohol. C. Tannins. Or D. Methanol. The correct answer is B. Grape spirit. Fortified wines like port and sherry have extra alcohol added during or after the fermentation. Question number 2. When you see a vintage year like 2020 or 2021 on a wine label, what does that year generally represent? A. The year the wine was bottled. B. The year the grapes were harvested. C. The year the vines were planted. Or D. The year the wine was released for sale. The correct answer is B. The vintage is the year the grapes were harvested. It should tell you about the weather conditions of that specific growing season, and also potentially how long the wine has aged. Question number 3. Moscato d'Asti is a popular white wine from Italy. What are its main characteristics? A. It is dry and high in alcohol. B. It is dry and sparkling. C. It is sweet and a still passito style. Or D. It is sweet and sparkling. And the correct answer is D. Moscato d'Asti is a sweet and lightly sparkling wine. It is aromatic, low in alcohol, and great with desserts. And we have wrapped up level 1. Are you ready for some trickier questions? Now let's move on to level 2. Level 2 questions. Question number 4. The red grape Gamay is most closely associated with which French wine region? A. The Rhone Valley. B. Alsace. C. Beaujolais. Or D. Jura. And the correct answer is C. Gamay is the star of Beaujolais, known for its red fruit flavors and low tannins. Question number 5. The Mistral is a strong, cold, northwesterly wind that affects which major wine region? A. Napa Valley. B. The Willamette Valley. C. The Douro Valley. Or D. The Rhone Valley. And the correct answer is D. The Mistral is a strong wind that affects the Rhone Valley. It helps keep the vines dry and disease-free, but it actually is so strong it can damage them when it blows too hard. Question number 6. Which acid is the primary acid found in grapes before fermentation? A. Lactic acid. B. Tartaric acid. C. Acetic acid. Or D. Malic acid. And the correct answer is B, tartaric acid. It is the most present type of acid that we will find in grapes before fermentation happens. And well done, you have made it past level 2. So before moving on to the next round of questions, if you are liking this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. We have lots of other episodes of these wine quizzes and other wine games, which I will have linked below in the description. So thank you for that. And now it's time to proceed with some hard questions. Level 3 questions. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a synonym of the grape variety Tempranillo? A. Tinta roja. B. Sensibel. C. Tinto fino, or D. Uia de Jebre? And the correct answer is A, Tinta Roja, which is a made-up name that sounds similar to another type of synonym for Tempranillo, the Tinta Roriz. Question number 8. In winemaking, what is the definition of chaptalization? A, adding acid to a wine to balance the sugar. B, adding tannins to improve color and stability. C, adding sugar to unfermented grape must to increase alcohol levels. Or D, adding oak chips to add extra flavor. And the correct answer is C, adding sugar to increase alcohol. It does not make the wine sweet. The yeast will eat all of the sugar and convert it into higher alcohol. This is more common in cool climates where sugar levels may be lower to start with. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a Beaujolais cru? A, Fleury, B, Morgon, C, Bruy, or D, Moulin? And the correct answer is D. Moulin is not one of the 10 Beaujolais cru. This was a tricky one because the actual cru has a similar name of Moulin à Vin. And congratulations for making it this far to the end of level 3. Now all that is left between you and eternal glory is going to be the dreaded boss level question. So get ready, because here it comes. Boss level question. Question number 10. Slavonian oak is a highly prized type of oak wood harvested from the Slavonia region. But in what country are those forests located? A, Bosnia, B, Croatia, C, Romania, or D, Slovenia? And the correct answer is B, Croatia. Slavonian oak is most famous for its use in aging classic Italian wines, such as Barolo, Barbaresco, and Brunello di Montalcino, because of the neutrality of the flavors that come from the oak. And that is a wrap. As always, let us know in the comments your final score. And remember, if it is a 10 out of 10 score, you won eternal glory. So be sure to brag about that in the comments. It is well deserved. If you feel like you want a rematch, here is the link to the playlist with all of the episodes of the series, and of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we release another wine quiz or other wine education and edutainment videos. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers!